In this video, we will see how we can give assignment to the students through class notebook and then check in that class notebook. But we will send the assignment through assignment tab. For that, just open the team in which through which you want to send the assignment to the student. Go to the general channel and then click on the assignment tab option and then click on the create button. Click on the assignment and specify test 1 and then click on the here we can give the name of our assignment. Here after that, add resources means we want to attach a file. Here click on the class notebook link. If you have uploaded the assignment in the any of the section, because in the collaboration space everything is visible to the students also, content library also, but in the teacher section also there is only one. This section is only for the teachers. The teacher can upload the assignment here and the students can get it. Then if you want to upload the assignment here, so then first you have to go to the class notebook. Click on the show navigation button. Go to the teacher section. This section is the only for the teacher. The students can't see this section. You can specify add page, add new page, and then test 1 or assignment. You can specify any topic also. And after that, if you want to attach any assignment, then go to the click insert menu and then click on the insert file attachment. Click on choose file and then select the test which you want to attach it and then click on the insert. Here I have attached the assignment in the class notebook and in the class notebook under the teacher section. I have created a page and in this I have attached. Now I am just going back to the assignment section. Create assignment. Specify the name, class assignment, or you can specify your fortnightly assignment, weekly assignment, or you can specify any topic. Here I'm just specifying assignment, class assignment. Click on the add resources. Click on the class notebook, because before uploading the your document through assignment tab, you have to upload in the class notebook section also. Then click on, because here I have attached this document in the class notebook under the teacher section link only. Click on the attach button. Then in which section you want to share it with the students. For the time being I am just sharing it with the homework and then click on the done. Here by default it will be shareable to all the students of your class. Here for the time being I am just sharing it with the one student. And then if you want to share, if there are multiple channels, then you can click on the edit button. Here the edit link will show here, then you can specify to the particular channel to assignment. After that, click on the assign button. Within a few seconds you will get the notification that you have, here you can see that I have assigned one assignment to the student, class assignment. Now go back to the student section. You have to tell the student that you have to open the class notebook, and the class notebook I have shared the assignment to you. Then student will go to the class notebook of a particular subject team, and then student will click on the navigation button here, and in the homework section we have shared the things, and in the test, this is the test that we have shared with the student. Now if the student wants to open it from here, then he can't open it. Then there is only one option for the student. As you can check, the student can't open it, he has to download the assignment. Suppose after downloading the assignment, student has written, because the student can't delete it all. After delete the things, the student has to submit the answer in the form of, suppose the student has submitted the answer in the form of picture. Here I am just taking an example. Either he attached the uh, document through file or through camera. Click on the choose file. This I am just taking example from the student side, and then click on open. Suppose students have attached the answers in the form of image. Now the students part is enough completed. Now the teacher will go to the assignment section, and then we'll get the things assignment. This is the assignment the teacher sent to the student. Click on this assignment. It will take few seconds to turn in because the students have already turned in. If you want, then student can turn it here. Then you have to tell the student that first you have to go to the assignment part and then check the assignment which I have specified. Either the student can submit the work here also. Suppose the student has submitted the work here. Instead of submitted on the, then student after that submitting the things, you can click on the turn in option. You will get the notification here that students and just clicking on the refresh button. Teacher will again click on the assignment tab. Click here. Student and already turned in. Now let's just click on this button, or if you want to give feedback here, then you can give feedback here also. Here, when the student has submitted the assignment in the form of through class notebook, here you can check also. Now you have to tell the student that student has to submit the things in both the ways. He has to submit the assignment uh, through class notebook also, and upload the same assignment in the assignment part also. Then you can check it here. If you want to give any feedback, good effort, then you can give here also. Here you can check it. Both the ways you have to tell the students that you have to send the assignment. After that, teacher can click on the return button. The students will get the notification that all the answer which he has submitted through class notebook, teacher has received, and give the comment also. I hope this much is clear to you. The teacher has to tell the student that whenever the student is attempting the uh, assignment, then he has to go to the assignment section and upload the same document in the assignment part also, and in the class notebook also he has to upload that assignment so that teacher can check. Teacher will get the notification through assignment tab, and the teacher can check through class notebook also. I hope this video will be fruitful for you. Thank you.